In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the overtime estimate for a schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your specific location selected, then click on Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, go to the new top menu bar and click on Analysis. Choose Overtime Estimator from the drop-down menu. Now you should see a list of the estimates for your employees. If an employee does not have their information filled in, that's because you have not finished filling out that employee's scheduling information. Right now you can see the top 4 employees. I can see their total hours for the week, the days that they are scheduled to work, and how much they are working that day. If they did go over their totals, that row would be highlighted. Right now, all of my employees are not working overtime, so my chart doesn't have any highlighted rows. Your overtime estimate only covers the current week. You can't go backwards or forwards. This is sort of a snapshot of how your schedule is working right now. That's how you can view your overtime estimate. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.